Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve code not found on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve code not found on FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about FIFA Mobile app. Then in this list here of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage window. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.